What's going on, people? Your boy Big Baby Cave. I got a very nice video for all people today. If y'all watch my videos, you know I did a muffler delete on my 2020 Mustang GT, and I used the MBRP Pro Series axleback, and with that setup, it was very loud. But you know, as with everything, you grow old, it grows old, and you get used to it. So what I did was I added the Steeda H Pipe to it. And I wanted to give y'all a quick, cold startup sound so you can kind of get an idea what it sounds like, you know. So if you have a muffler delete with the MBRP and you want to know what it's going to sound like with the H pipe, I'm going to give you a clip. But I'm going to warn you, if you don't want your car to be loud, I suggest not doing that modification, because when you add the H pipe with the MBRP axleback muffler delete, it's going to be extremely loud. I mean super loud, but it sounds good. So without further ado, y'all check this out.